brought the excavator down here today. I'm gonna pull out a few quick. It's a lot easier using the excavator, and I gotta drag a chain around. Wish I had a thumb on there, it'd work nice. Someday, maybe. Alright, well, I'm gonna get at getting some wood out here. Well, just showing you guys my logging process. It works pretty good. Yeah, kind of a mess, but get it trimmed up and we'll throw all the brush back over there and get a chance I'll burn it. If I don't, I'll burn it some other time, or it'll just sit there and rot. The neighbor on the other side, they never clean anything up over there. So everything, basically that tree and that tree are not on my line, or our family's line, I should say. But maybe someday, if I can't get a hold of the guy, I always wanted to ask if I go over here and cut some of these trees out of here, rip them out or whatever. As you can see, you know how the land goes down. This is basically our line, and everything beyond, from there down to there. You know, there's a lot of wood oil alongside there, and it's decent. It's staying pretty much straight. You know, not like this old, ugly old box elder, just kind of twisted and marled and mangled like that one. And I come down every couple of years and just kind of keep reaching farther over. But I guess nobody says anything, whatever. I'm sure they don't care, but I'd like to have their permission. But, yeah. Well, I got a little firewood. Good hour or so of cutting up, but I think I'm gonna call it a day now. I got some cut up down there and for heat for the night and tomorrow too, I think. Well, hope you guys liked the video. Link belt works pretty good for a rubbish getter. So, alright, well, hope you guys had a good day. Catch you on the next one. See ya.